Well, I have a few words to say about this level. One thing I would like to say is, wow, this gameplay is not good. It is not good, especially near that Emperor. I don't even know. I kind of fluked it from 44 to 100 because that part near the end before where it's just a bunch of doubles and triples, that part is very, very weird. I was playing in practice and I kept dying, but I just did it first try as soon as I got there. The visuals look good, definitely not a legendary. I do not like this. One bad apple should have gotten a legendary, and that's why probably why this exists. But anyways, make sure to check. See ya.